Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install Stacer on Linux Mint 18.3 version. Stacer is an open source system optimizing tool used for checking the performance of Linux Debian machines. And also Stacer is a GUI tool and its dashboard can show data such as CPU memory, disk usage and also system cleaner to clean system caches. So in this tutorial, we will show you how to install Stacer on Linux Mint 18.3. Let's get started with the installation. So before starting the installation, make sure you download the package from its official site. So in order to do that, you can make use of the following command. We are downloading it using a wget utility. Now Stacer has been downloaded. As it is a Debian package, we can simply install using a dpkg command. So now the Stacer has been installed. So you can start the Stacer from the command line using a Stacer command. So the Stasis dashboard appears on your screen and it displays the CPU, memory and disk informations here. And also you can access the system cleaner in the top menu. This is the systems cleaner. You can scan a system after choosing this one and it will show the cache files and you can select everything and then press on clean and everything will be clean. And also you can control the system startup apps here and you can monitor the services that were running here, and there is an uninstaller also available. From here you can uninstall any packages that you doesn't want on your system. So Stacer is a handy tool for Linux Debian users as it contains all the necessary information to optimize and monitor the systems. So I hope this tutorial helps you. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.